Our new generation of POL converters focuses strongly on a cost-efficient design while also improving on critical electrical specifications. A standard SIP3 case means they are a drop-in replacement for any TO220 package linear regulators. With output voltages available between 1.2 and 15 volts DC and full load operation up to plus 95 degrees Celsius ambient temperature, these series will help to reduce production cost by delivering not only a highly efficient but also reliable solution. Key specifications of the TSR2N and TSR3N series are pin compatible with TO220 package linear regulators, operation temperature range minus 40 degrees Celsius to plus 95 degrees Celsius without derating, very high efficiency up to 95%, excellent line load regulation. These series offer 20 different models. The TSR2N and TSR3N are complementing our existing POL portfolio segment extending from 0.5 to 3 amperes with new cost-efficient series. For more information, data sheets, and certifications, please visit our website www.tracopower.com.